Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious and colorful vegetable pizza. This pizza is packed with fresh veggies and is super easy to make at home. If you're looking for a healthy and tasty meal, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. Ingredients first things first. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this vegetable pizza. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And for the toppings, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 1 onion, thinly sliced, 1 zucchini, thinly sliced, a handful of olives, optional, salt, black pepper, and oregano for seasoning. With these ingredients ready, we're all set to start making our pizza. Making the dough. Let's begin by making our pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 packet of instant yeast. Mix them together until they're well combined. Now, add 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the dry ingredients. It's time to knead. Work the dough until it's smooth and elastic, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your dough is nice and smooth, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a cloth, and let it rise for about an hour. It should double in size. Preparing the toppings. While our dough is rising, let's prepare the veggies. Chop the red and green bell peppers, slice the onion thinly, and cut the zucchini into thin slices. If you're using olives, you can slice those up too. These colorful veggies are going to make our pizza look and taste amazing. Assembling the pizza. Now that our dough has risen, let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a thin circle, about the size of your pizza pan. Place the dough onto your pizza pan or a baking sheet. Spread 1/2 cup of tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges for the crust. Sprinkle 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Now, it's time to add our veggies. Start with the chopped red and green bell peppers, then add the onion slices, zucchini, and olives if you're using them. Make sure to spread them out evenly so every bite has a bit of everything. Finally, season the pizza with a little salt, black pepper, and a sprinkle of oregano for extra flavor. Baking the pizza. Pop the pizza into the preheated oven and let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. The final touch. Our vegetable pizza is fresh out of the oven, and it smells incredible. Let it cool for a couple of minutes before slicing it up. This pizza is perfect for a healthy dinner or even as a snack. The combination of fresh veggies and melted cheese is simply irresistible. And that's how you make a delicious vegetable pizza at home. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Let me know in the comments what your favorite pizza toppings are, and if you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking, and enjoy your pizza!